Welcome to this channel. My name is Oliver, and today we're gonna have another session on trading with binary options on Quadex. All the links are in the description to this video, along with the Telegram group. Make sure to check it out. It has a lot of useful information. Also a promo code that you can use for the deposit to have a bonus on Quadex. And let's go straight away with today's video. Today is going to be a session of, we're going to start with $3, and we're going to go with a couple of indicators. One of those is MACD indicator, and the other one is RSI, relative strength indicator. It's fairly simple. You see it below the MACD, and it's fairly simple. It's just a one line that basically shows us the live how the market is behaving. So we're gonna go with $3, and we're gonna go with call option here. Let's wait a minute. Here we have our first profit for today. It's 561, and we're gonna change the currency here, and we're gonna go with the next option. Is going to be for $5, and we're gonna look at the MACD and the RSI. RSI is actually showing some growth there, so we're gonna go with the call option. Let's go. Wait a minute. Okay, we have another profit, $9.35. Now we're gonna use $9 for the next option, and let's have a look at some other currencies. Maybe right now I see the price is still growing, so we could have potentially used another call option here, but we're gonna head to another currency and we're gonna check this out here. I see the same or similar situation here. RSI is showing some price growth here, so maybe we can do a call option here. The MACD actually, on the other hand, is not showing us much here, but we're gonna go with a call option, and we're gonna wait 1 minute. And there we have another profit, guys. This is nice. It's $17, and we're gonna use the $17 now to get our next option going. So it's going to be, by the way, don't forget to check out this Telegram group, guys, because there's a lot of useful information on how to use the indicators, like how they give you different indications, how to decide on which option you should proceed with, and yeah, it's just useful information in general, so check that out. Okay, we're gonna go with the next one for $17, and I'm going to go with a put option this time, because again the indications are showing that the price is gonna go down in a bit. 1 minute. And here we have another nice profit. Is $31.79. So we're gonna go with $32 now, and we're gonna check out. If I was here, these indications are clearly showing that the price is going up, and especially the green line crossing the red line on the MACD indicator. But right now I'm gonna go to a different currency and try out a different patterns. So this one here is showing us that the price is going down, although the MACD is showing us the price will go up. No, it's still going up. So we're gonna go with a call option here and wait 1 minute. Here we have profit $59.84, guys. It's already $60, and look at the numbers. It's 60.60 cents. Let's check this one out. It's the same payout. It's not too bad, 87%, but maybe we can get a better one. Right now I see an increase here of the price, as you see, so I'm gonna go with a put option. And because the increase does not last, you know, the time we have put is enough for it to go down, and then eventually it's gonna go back up. But right now we're using this moment. Let's wait. Now we have a really nice profit, $398.31. Totally we have almost $400 here. I remind you, we started with just 3, so you see how this tactic works. Obviously it has a lot of risks as well, so that therefore you need to know what you're doing in terms of when you're placing your options. So for that, do research, do your homework, and then you're gonna be, you know, you're gonna be ready for this decision making, because sometimes it doesn't work out, so you need to be ready. And for that, check out the description obviously, and then other videos on YouTube, on our channel, and just check out and get the information needed. Right now I'm placing a put option here because I have read my indications, you know, my indicators, MACD and RSI, and then I made a decision here. So let's wait a minute. Oh guys, we have a really nice profit. It is $733.20 in total, $741.69 on our balance, and yeah, it's getting pretty hot. So every time we have almost a double of our balance, you know, of profit to us. So this is working out just fine right now. I have an indication here that the price is gonna lower, although we do want to put a call option here, because in 1 minute time we're definitely going to see some rise in the price. You see the RSI there is really pointing down, but it changes live, so you'll see how it changes in a bit. Now let's wait. Wow guys, first really great profit here, 1,385. This is a game-changing profit here. Obviously we are now able to place a $1,000 option, and this is now getting to some serious profit. So it's getting pretty tense. So let's have a look at this. Okay, so we have a clear indication here. Wow, clear as glass. So it's a put option and 1 minute time. All right guys, so we have $1,870. Just now we have made on this one option $870. So now we have enough balance to make multiple options. So two 1,000 options at a time we're gonna make. You see this clear indication the price is going up, so we're gonna make a call option here as the price is gonna rise in a bit. 2 options. Let's wait. Yes guys, we just had a profit, and totally we have $4,035 on our account. On the balance we just made double option of 870, or it's 89%, so $890. So it was more than 1,600. So let's have a look. Let's go with this currency here, and we're gonna we have enough to make 4 options. I have a clear indication here the price is dropping, so I just made 4 put options, and let's wait. Wow, guys, we just had another great profit from 4 of the options, and we just made $3,500 with just 1 minute. I mean, it gets pretty crazy. We're pushing it further, and it's, we're lucky that it's a bit of a luck, it's a bit of knowledge, and yeah, basically, if you don't know how the indicators work and you're not sure, and you might make a mistake, so it's better to learn the indicators. And even then, it's pretty volatile. Right now we have a lot of lucky decisions as well, so there's a lot of luck. And so this is really great, to be honest. And this session was very profitable, because we just started with $3 and we made $7,500 here. We're gonna stop here, guys. Usually we push it more, but we're gonna stop this session now. And I wonder what you can tell me in the commentary section. You like this content? You like the sessions? Would you like to see more? How is your experience? And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you all next time. Don't forget about the description to this video, all the useful information, promo code for your deposit on the Quadex platform. And I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.